The battery warning light on your dashboard is one of the most misunderstood indicators in your car. This symbol doesn't necessarily mean your battery is dead. Research shows that alternator failure accounts for 60 to 70% of battery warning light cases. Battery degradation causes 15 to 20%, while wiring issues and drive belt problems make up the remaining cases. The alternator is the heart of your car's charging system. It converts mechanical energy from the engine into electrical energy, maintaining 13.8 to 14.4 volts to power all electrical systems and recharge the battery. The battery works alongside the alternator, providing power for engine starting, supplying electricity when the engine is off, and acting as a voltage stabilizer for the entire electrical system. Common issues include corroded battery terminals, which can disrupt electrical connections, and worn drive belts that prevent the alternator from spinning properly. Ignoring the battery warning light can lead to serious consequences. Complete electrical system failure can occur within hours, potentially causing engine stalling in traffic and damage to sensitive electronic components. When your battery warning light comes on, start with a thorough visual inspection. Check the battery terminals and connections for corrosion, loose connections, or damage. Next, use a multimeter to test battery voltage. With the engine off, a healthy battery should read 12.6 volts or higher. When the engine is running, the voltage should be between 13.8 and 14.4 volts. Test the charging system while the engine is running. This engine bay test shows 14.27 volts, which indicates the alternator is functioning properly and charging the battery. Professional load testing uses specialized equipment to assess battery capacity under realistic conditions. This battery analyzer shows detailed metrics including cold cranking amps and battery health percentage. Don't forget to inspect the serpentine belt system. The belt connects the crankshaft to the alternator and other components. A loose, cracked, or broken belt can prevent the alternator from charging the battery. Modern vehicles use advanced diagnostic systems. The OBD port allows professional scanners to access battery management system data and enhance diagnostic capabilities for precise monitoring. While basic tasks like terminal cleaning and voltage testing can be done yourself, professional service is required for load testing, alternator diagnosis, and component replacement. Ignoring the battery warning light can lead to serious consequences. Premature component failure, increased repair costs, and potential safety hazards from electrical system failure make immediate attention essential.